Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. This video is just a quick overview regarding recent news that Thai authorities have enacted or are in the process of enacting legislation and regulations creating a new 10-year Thai visa for those over the age of 50 years old. Basically, the way I'm looking at this is as if it's a long stay retirement visa. So those who are attempting to, well, first of all, we don't know exactly how the rules on this are going to be implemented because this came about within the past 7 days of this video. So as of yet, we haven't seen the actual on-the-ground implications of this new announcement. But that being said, there are some things we do know. Most notably, those who want to apply for this category visa have to be over the age of 50 years. So that's much like the current situation with respect to retirement visas. For specific information on the sort of, I don't know what you want to call it, traditional retirement visa, I urge you to check out our blurb on this channel regarding retirement visas. But back to the 10-year retirement visa. The 10-year retirement visa, tentatively the rules seem to state that one has to put 3 million baht into a Thai bank account and hold that money in a Thai bank account without removing it for a total of 1 calendar year, for a period of 1 calendar year. The other thing to keep in mind about this is apparently the approval process is going to be multi-phased. So initially, and again, we haven't seen exactly how this is going to be implemented, but initially the stamp one will be getting in their visa is going to be for 5 years. And then I'm assuming after it's been proven that the 3 million baht has stayed in a bank account for more than 1 calendar year, you're going to go ahead and see another 5 years be stamped into that individual's passport. Again, it's very similar to the retirement visa in that it's not only a lump sum requirement. I believe if one can prove that they're bringing in over 100,000 baht in revenue, now that may not necessarily be income per se, but it may be Social Security benefits, pension benefits, investment benefits, whatever. Again, 100,000 baht in revenue per month. It appears that that will also be available as a foundation for applying for one of these 10-year visas. As with anything in Thailand, as with anything in the law, when there's a new announcement, I find that there are many individuals who sort of run out and immediately expect that the world has just changed overnight in that particular sphere. That's not really the case. This stuff, it tends to be implemented gradually. I expect that we won't actually see full implementation of this kind of thing until calendar year 2017, if at all. I have seen various visa schemes over the years that were announced, promulgated, passed, and they've sort of fallen into the dustbin of history. Not that they haven't been enacted, they actually are on the books, but as far as from a practical standpoint, actually getting those visa benefits, virtually impossible. So something to think about, but yes, the retirement visa is apparently now there's a possibility, there's a category. I don't know how you want to phrase it at this point, but there is the possibility of obtaining a 10-year visa, which looks very much like the retirement visa. It just has higher requirements with respect to money in the bank or revenue being generated, and there is apparently going to be a multi-phase process whereby there's going to be one initial stamp granting a certain amount of status, presumably while they're reviewing to ensure that the amount of capital remains in the bank account or that that individual is actually bringing in that amount of money every month. And then thereafter, there's going to be another point where the rest of the status is going to be granted. So stay tuned. You may see another video on this channel regarding the specifics of the 10-year retirement visa. As I expect, most people are fairly excited. There are some people who are fairly excited to see this happen, as it will result in probably less issues for some retirees here in Thailand with respect to having to visit immigration. It should be noted that tentatively at least, and based on what we're reading from source material here in Thailand and announcements from various ministries, it looks like the 90-day check-in requirement, which if you check out the video with respect to 90-day check-ins, there's another video on this channel regarding 90-day check-ins here in Thailand. 90-day check-ins are still going to be required, notwithstanding the new 10-year retirement visa. So, although certain aspects of the retirement visa process will no longer be around, presumably under the 10-year retirement visa scheme, most notably, one will not presumably need to go and renew their retirement visa every year, as is the case right now. That being said, 90-day check-ins are still required. And again, with respect to how the 90-day check-in process works, I urge you to go check out the video regarding 90-day check-ins on our channel here. I'm always fairly cautiously optimistic about these matters, but it would appear that this 10-year retirement visa is genuine. They are promulgating rules with respect to it, and we should be seeing implementation and issuance of those documents fairly soon. We'll keep you updated as things progress. Thanks.